Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to split cells in Excel. So let's get started. Just for showing you, I am writing some text in a single cell and then split that cell and add this text to different cells. So simply select this cell and then select Data tab, and here you can find the option Text to Columns. Click on it. Then click Next. Now here, you can adjust these lines to split your cell, like I want to add one word in a single cell. So adjust these lines word by word. Just for showing you, I want to add these two words together, and then click on Next, then click on Finish. And as you can see, my cells are split into different cells. And add my text one word in a single cell, and as you can see, these two words are together. So it was the simple and easiest way in which you can split cells in Excel. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like.